Tat Sat Divyatman. This is Swami Lalita Priyananda from Swami Jyotirmayananda Society, Kutir, Divine Light Yoga Kutir, Sacramento, California. Hari Om Tat Sat. Srimad Bhagavat Mahapuran, Day 2. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Aim Saraswate Namaha. Om Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Hari Om Tat Sat. श्रीमद् भागवत महात्म्य ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय अथ प्रथमो अध्याय द ग्लोरी ऑफ श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण एसेंस फ्रॉम द पद्म पुराण डिस्कोर्स 1 श्लोका नंबर 2 यम प्रव्रजन्त मनुपेतं पेतकृत्यं द्वे पायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मया तया तरवोभिनेदु स्तन सर्वभूत हृदयं मुनि मानतोऽस्मि. When Vedvyasa, who was born in an island, saw his son Sukha going away all alone with the intention of leading the life of a recluse or a saint, even though the latter had not yet been invested with the sacred thread and accordingly had no occasion to perform any secular or religious duties, the sage felt distressed at the thought of his separation from the latter, means his son, and called out, "Hello, Hari Om, Hari Om, my son, my son, my son." At that time, it was the trees that responded on his behalf, filled as they were by his presence. I bow to that Sukha, the sage Sukha, who, being one with the universal spirit, has access to the hearts of all created beings. So this is about the story of son of Vedvyasji. So Vedvyasji's son Sukha, when he was born after, he was not born within 9 months, but there is another story behind it, that how he ended up being born or coming into human form. Sukha means parrot. So he came into, because he had listened to the Katha, Amar Katha of Lord Shiva. So that is why he ended up coming into human being as a sage already. And when Sukha was going into the jungle as a sage, when he was born, then Vedvyasji got very, very sad that he's going to depart from his son, and now he started following him into the jungle, and he kept calling him, my son, and he was not even responding. He didn't look back. And all, there is some stories not fully mentioned here, but there were these trees who were answering on behalf of Sukha, saying he is one with the whole world. That means already self-realized. Hari Om. Om. Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanya Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. Om Mangalam Bhagwan Vishnu मंगलम गरुड़ध्वजा मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्षाय मंगलाय तनोहरि। ओम 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 शांति शांति शांति। जय गुरुदेव, चरणों में अर्पणम।